How to convert TikTok Paylater to cash. Hey guys, this is Lucy back with another video and let's get started. So first you need to go to your TikTok profile and here in the top right corner are three lines. Click on that. Go to settings and privacy. Here under account menu, there is an option called balance. You need to click on that and it will lead you to a page like this. Here in the black rectangular box, there is a button named Live Rewards. You need to click on that. After that, it will show you a page like this called Live Rewards. Here, you can see your available balance and you can also withdraw your balance from here. To do that, you need to set the balance here and you need to click on the red button that says withdraw, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Meet you guys in the next video.